In this section of the video, we're going to look at the reaction of the different halides with chlorine water. Okay. Now, what you can hopefully see is that all of the halides are colourless. Okay. Now, the reactions that we are going to do can be summarised on this sheet here with our ionic equations, which is a bit too close. Okay, let's see, there's better. So the first reaction we'll do is chlorine reacting with chloride to give chlorine and chloride. Now, in most cases this reaction would not be done because you would not observe any change and you're just displacing the same elements, so there is no observable reaction. The second reaction will be chlorine reacting with bromide. If this reaction is successful, we will form bromine water, which will be orange, and our organic layer will be orange too. Our final reaction will be chlorine with iodide. If this reaction is successful, the iodine will be formed, which will form a brown solution, which when we add organic solvent to it will turn purple. So, here's the first reaction. So, I've got my chlorine water. When we add it to our chloride, there is no visible change. As expected, I'll put on some cyclohexane. Again, it's all very dilute and it's very difficult to see any colour there at all. Okay. The second reaction now we'll try is bromide with chlorine water. And we see instantaneously there is a colour change. Okay, now it kind of looks orange colour. So let's check that it's actually bromine that has been made. Give it a shake with our cyclohexane and it gives us our orange colour in our organic layer. We can double check this against our authentic sample of bromine, and these two test tubes look very, very similar in colour. Finally, chlorine water with iodide. We would expect a brown colour in the organic layer. This is what we observe. And again, just to check, that it is iodine formed. A little squirt of cyclohexane, and this produces our purple or violet upper layer, you can see, which if we compare it to our authentic sample, these two are very, very similar. Okay. So in terms of our displacement reactions, we can see that chlorine does displace bromide to form bromine, and chlorine does displace iodide to form iodine.